Welcome to an exclusive tour of the most extraordinary and innovative home design trends of the year. Join us as we unveil the top products that deliver a massive wow factor for your home, all discovered at this year's premier home shows in Miami, Fort Lauderdale, and Palm Beach. From towering 12-foot mahogany doors to luxurious copper bathtubs, from cutting-edge home automation systems to breathtaking European hardwood floors, we're showcasing the ultimate selections that will transform your living space into a masterpiece. Let's dive in and explore how these remarkable finds can elevate your home to new heights.
Have you ever seen a 12-foot high, 6-foot wide, 1,000-pound solid mahogany door? If you want to make a statement when your friends walk through your door, start at the entrance, because Custom Doors offers every custom solution that should be and could be in your home. I mean, look at this. This is beautiful. It's a matte blue. You know, you have the white this is playing it safe, but it's still beautiful, has a different texture. Going all the way across to all the different styles. I personally love this. Look at this. Look at the detail. Look at this product. Where else are you gonna find this? Hand-stitched leather, ultimate luxury interior door that you will not see anywhere else. So this is one of a kind. They have all different types of exclusive elements, door systems, magnetic lock systems. Yes, I want to show you this because this is, if you want to have that full wall panel all the way across with a beautiful door, take a peek. Welcome to Bertolotto Coffee. No, but in all seriousness, beautiful products, all different elements. All of these brands come together in one location to offer the ultimate destination for everything home design, whether you're a homeowner, interior designer, architect, builder, or just someone looking to get inspired to see the possibilities. It's all here at the show.
But doors are just the beginning. Step into the world of elegance with expansive porcelain slabs that redefine bathroom luxury.
One of the top trends, we're talking trends, you see it over and over. The big porcelain slabs for your bathroom walls, for your bathroom floors, everything in your home. You know, this is where you get to see it firsthand because you're not going into a project with never seeing it before. I mean, take a look at this. How beautiful is it to have porcelain covering it from floor to wall, floor to ceiling. But is this real or is this fake? Take a guess. What type of material do you think this is? We're talking about all different types of products here. We're talking about PVC materials, right?
Right.
Everything is PVC. So if you guessed it was real, you're wrong. It's all fake, but it's made to replicate some of the finest materials, whether we're talking about marbles, if we're talking about wood. I mean, take a look at these stones from all different types of, whether we're talking high gloss, we're talking matte, we're talking all of these different elements, but for the first time, we're introducing new product.
A stone product.
A stone product. This comes in sheets of what size?
9x4.
9x4, take a look at that. Can you tell if that's stone?
Flexible stone.
Size and style converge with European hardwood floors that offer unparalleled beauty in every plank.
Pianeta Legno, European hardwood, top quality, but one of my favorite things about... This is even bigger. All right.
The size, it does matter.
The size does matter. So, and we're talking about size, we're talking about European hardwood, 15 feet long. How thick is this? How wide?
That's 7/8.
7/8, but how wide?
Up to 20 inches.
Up to 20 inches wide. Where else can you find this? Pianeta Legno. That's it. And that's what it's not just the size. Sorry guys, it's not just about the size, but the color. You can get any color you want. You might have a wood floor that you're tired of, but you want to match it. You can match the exact same color. If you want black, if you want brown, if you want white, if you want white oak, if you want gray, if you want whatever color it might be, they do it custom right here in Miami, in South Florida. quality.
4,000 colors. They're talking about.
4,000 colors? I don't even know what 4,000 colors look like.
Experience opulence with handcrafted copper bathtubs, where relaxation meets timeless artistry.
Don't mind me, I'm just a strange guy with a camera. Copper bathtubs. These are not products that you can just find anywhere. This is a solid copper bathtub. How much does this weigh? 250 pounds of solid copper. If you want luxury, if you want that ultimate lifestyle, if you want to improve your bathroom experience, from bathtubs to sinks, this is product that you can find only at the home show. We're showcasing all different types of design elements for your home, for hurricane protection. We have pivot doors. But I want to show you one of my favorite, is the accordion. The accordion door is one of those products that is amazing to be able to have in your home. It's not just coming to the home show to get a brochure. You're seeing showroom quality displays.
Transform ordinary walls into extraordinary statements with innovative 3D designs and textured finishes.
The iconic home show tour, we're stepping into 3D wall designs where your walls can come to life. Who said we only need plants for life? This is like concrete. This is something that is made to last. This is handmade. It's done to the most luxury component for your home design. But again, talking about products and people who are introducing design from other parts of the world is something that makes South Florida so special, but all coming together here at the Home Designer Remodeling Show. This is their first time exhibiting. You know, this is something where you guys are looking for that spotlight. You're looking to connect with designers, architects, builders, homeowners, showing the possibility, right? Yeah.
Yes.
You guys having fun so far?
Exactly. Yes.
So far, so
Well, we got a big weekend ahead, so
Yes.
I appreciate it. But look at this display, it's absolutely beautiful. Look at all of the different elements. They're bringing all of the different types of wall panels, designs, systems to your home, but they're showing you how to implement design. And that's what really brings the show to life. And they're showing you exactly what your home could be. But we talked about slat wall before, but World Panel Products is all real wood. So looking at them, they're not just selling panels, they're selling design, they're selling a lifestyle. And when you look at wall panels, you can look at the panel and like the panel, but it's really the design and the elements and how they put it all together to give that exact lifestyle. This is a really cool product. It's brand new. It's actually flexible stone. It feels like stone, it is stone, and you can flex it around columns and really use it in creative ways. Coming over here, but look at the integrated lighting. These panels, they're actually made out of bamboo, but it looks like natural stone surfaces and all of the slat walls and all the design styles. Wallpanels.com here at the Home Show. Handmade from Colombia. And they're showcasing their product, looking to break into the South Florida market, but look at all of these different styles, the details, styles, patterns. Look at the thickness of this. It's made to last. It's one of a kind. And that's what makes the home show so special because, you know, Piastrelle Di Morano, they're showcasing more and more colors, designs, how it can be used.
Illuminate your living spaces like never before with unique lighting solutions that blend art and technology seamlessly.
They are a linear lighting application where you can transform your home environment. If you have popcorn ceilings, if you bought a beautiful condo on the water, new construction, you're going to receive a junction box in your ceiling. But how do you get lighting throughout your entire home? Here at the Home Show, you get to talk to Velum Design, talk to the experts, the designers behind this element, because your home, your ceiling could be a level 7 finish. Forget about level 5. You can have absolute perfection, any color, any design style on your ceiling. Let's go check out some more. Yeah. This company from Israel, Home Automation, another international company that's been around. They manufacture their own products, but this is sleek, it's design oriented, and this will automate your home. It's the brains of the home, it will control the environment, but look at all of the design. It's not just lighting. This is architectural, it's design, it's the finest materials, but if you ever want to see a $20,000 chandelier, it is possible. Yep. We're gonna show you, right?
Yep, right here.
Right here. So I gotta ask, what makes a $20,000 chandelier?
So it's all the components and it's all the masterpiece craft. So every one of these pieces is individually handcrafted through hand-blown crystal, mouth-blown crystal, and there's a whole lot of project and a lot of man-hours that go into something like this.
Absolutely, and if you look, I wanna get you really close up. Look at all of the detail. And all of these are hung individually, and it makes this perfect design style that could be in your home. I mean, if you want the finest crystals, the finest designs, and something that is gonna be different from any other home you walk in, Berkana, they have it all. You can find it in a lot of different places, but you wanna find lighting that's unique and something that is different. And Residence Supply, that's what they're bringing. These beautiful elements, take a look at this, the details, the material, all of the different styles. It's all of the styles that you see online, but you don't know where to find it. Residence Supply at the Home Designer Remodeling Show. But I want to show you something because we're all obviously looking at lighting and design styles and things like that. But the fixtures, I want you to get a close-up on this because these are probably the coolest fixtures that I've ever seen with the different finishes, the selections. There's something for everyone. But look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. And it's just showing you that you don't need to have those plastic fixtures that really add nothing to your design. So make something that most people don't think about, turn it cool, and put it in your home.
Innovation, luxury, and design all under one roof. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable journey through the top home design trends of the year.